What is up, guys? Welcome back towards D-AHI. Let's chat while enjoying this beautiful scenery. I got a little something different for you folks this week. Real talk, the fishing this past 3 or 4 weeks has been kind of lackluster. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still been days with action and fun, but just nothing that I felt was worthwhile to make a video about. You know, but the sunrise has been spectacular, and the peace and serenity on the water has never been at a higher level. So there's nothing to really complain about. But since none of those sessions alone were really worthy to present to you guys, I'm just going to compile them all together in one extended smash session, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, peace.
What's up, Mars? Not me.
Bite me, fucker. Oh! No way! Hesitant grabbing it because I don't want to freaking stab myself again. Man, catching Kamanu instead of Opelu during bait time. Little baby uku. Ah! Stay still, bud. Oh. Come on, buddy. I want to let you go. You gotta go get bigger.
Let's go just for the night. Nowhere is ever too far, baby, all we got is time. A small town, run down, so let's run away from here. From the coast to the coast, where everything is clear. Follow me from the past into the future. We don't need any bags or any pastors. Let's be in the present. I don't wanna sweat it. I just wanna start all over. Just wanna start all over. All over. We don't need the memories. We just need to wipe the slate. Go from chaos to the peace. I need to focus on me. A small town, run down, so let's run away from here. From the coast to the coast, where everything is clear. Follow me from the past into the future. We don't need any bags or any pastors. Let's be in the present. I don't wanna sweat it. I just wanna start all over. Just wanna start all over. All over.
Kayak, I'll hold on to it, and then just loop this through the back, the bar. Yeah. Nice. You said they're inside? That's plenty, that's plenty. Dude, I have some too. Go, guy. Little tiny sheebie. Whoa! Anyway, somebody commented on one of the videos. Oh, that guy's pretty big. Somebody commented on one of the videos saying that I think it was on one of the deep drop videos or something, but saying that, you know, I should conserve, and I don't know if he watches any of my other videos, but and notices that I throw back a ton of fish. But, you know, point is that he's probably right. He's saying that, you know, as small as my footprint is, I do have a platform in this whole YouTube thing, and you know, he's kind of right. I should encourage conservation. So yeah, I do encourage conservation. I do encourage only taking what you need, but I don't see a problem in taking enough to feed friends and family too. Anyway, it's my little 2 cents. Mahalo for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring